Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can order on Screwfix. If you want to order from Screwfix, then one of the easiest way to shop with Screwfix is that you can use click and collect services. You can check the stock in your local store. You can pay on the app or online and collect the items. So basically, what you'll have to do is just go ahead and type in click and collect. Make sure that you already have an account. So here you can see there's this link as click and collect FAQ. Just go through it, and you need to wait for, once you've done that, you need to wait for the SMS to confirm your order is ready to collect or not. Now for quicker collection, check in on the app when you arrive at the store and you'll get your order ready. You can also use the in-store or check in and speak with one of the customer service who can actually help you. Now there are some items that are sent from their own distribution center. Now if your click and order contain items which are available to collect at the present day, then you'll receive two SMS. The first SMS will be on the same day you order in place to collect the part of your order, and the second SMS will be your item has arrived at the selected store. So that's basically how you can order on Screwfix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.